Hello guys, and welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. This is for the October one. It came a little bit foobarred, but that's okay, everything in it's fine. It's also a slightly different kind of box. Like normally the ones with little lids, this one looks more like the Walmart ones, right? So, okay, whatevs. I also noticed that it's a little smaller, but it is deeper, but the price was a little less this month. I feel like they're lulling us into a false sense of security, because this was supposed to be the month that they upped the price. Instead, they dropped it to $12, and now they're saying in December is when they're gonna jack the price to $23 a month. So, okay. I mean, I guess cool that it's a little bit longer before they do that, but on the other hand, huh. Anywho, so we've got our little booklet here. We'll go ahead and open her up. Screen Gab. In 1999, I was singing Zoom 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 along with Protozoa in Disney's Xenon, Girl of the 21st Century. Whoa, I remember that. Today, I mumble the same words like a curse. Video calls have become the new norm, and my beauty routine has been upended because of it. The lighting in my home highlights my dark circles, so I'm now committed to eye patches. A bold lipstick can make it seem like I took time getting ready when, in fact, I just rolled off my couch. And I've been faking a healthy glow by layering moisturizer and vitamin C. Haven't we all? This month's box is a telecommuter's beauty kit. I'm not sure if I'm fooling anyone with my tricks, but at least Zoom happy hour is scheduled twice a week. Jessica Cruel, Features Director. Okay then. So first thing in here, I don't know if this is full size or not. It might be. It's a skincare thing. It's called the NewCo Tropical C. We make supplements from clean sources using ingredients that do not harm people or the planet, using the best in nature and science. Fresh vitamin C firms fine lines and smooths, brightens, and is an antioxidant. Potent powdered vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. Ferulic acid stabilizes and increases absorption, while colloidal oatmeal and aloe vera soothe and calm. Use 2 to 3 shakes. Blend into moisturizer, serum, or water. Apply to clean, dry skin daily. The ingredients are tapioca starch, ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, Why is ferulic acid twice in a row? Okay. Oat kernel flour and aloe leaf juice. That's so weird. Let's take a look at the bottle. I've never had a powdered vitamin C serum before. That's kind of cool. Oh my god. So, like, oh yes, got it on here. 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer serum or mixed with water. Apply to clean skin daily. So this would be a more stable form of vitamin C, guys. Like, if you have problems with it expiring too fast, something like this would stay good longer, just so you're aware. As somebody who comes from a family of pharmacists, I'm like, this, I don't know, the little brown bottle just, it looks like an apothecary jar. It, on this intrinsic level, it makes me happy. Now, I know darn well that I have been asked many, many times if I am a pharmacist or a chemist or if I work in the industry, and I say no, and that's true. But I come from a long line of them, so there is that. Let me answer this message really quick. I will be right back, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So let's find in here what it was going to say about it. Okay. So it says, I have tested dozens, if not hundreds, of serums, and many are too heavy for my skin, which often breaks out if I go beyond my usual moisturizer and eye cream routine. But the NewCo Tropical C has changed the game. It's a powder you mix into your other skincare products, or even water, and lets me easily incorporate vitamin C into my regimen without adding weight. It is the skincare equivalent of those expensive boosts advertised on smoothie shop menus. I add a few shakes of this powder to a gel moisturizer and get skin that looks a whole lot brighter without any breakouts. And the price of this is $70. And I think this might be the full size. Holy crap. Holy crap. That is insane. Okay, keep out or avoid contact with eyes or mouth. Do not ingest. No kidding. But that's crazy. Wow. But my moisturizer already has vitamin C in it, so until I use that one up, or unless I bounce back and forth between that one and a different one, which I do sometimes do, I could add it to one of the ones that doesn't have it in it. But I mean, my beloved Sunday Riley already has vitamin C in it. That's why I like it so much. So I'm not going to add even more into that because that seems sensitizing, but I could probably add it into that one e.l.f. gel moisturizer, pop it up a little bit. I could probably add it into that one from, what brand was that? The one that you saw in my skincare fridge that wasn't Sunday Riley and wasn't e.l.f. The one in the white jar. I can't think of the name offhand. Anyway, let's continue, guys. So the next thing in here, I think this is full-sized as well, by the way. So that's fun. They are putting in more full-size things now. This is the Verso Super Eye Serum from Stockholm. It has retinol 8. Firming and smoothing eye serum with retinol 8. As opposed to retinol 7 or 9? Yeah, I made a joke, it sucked. If you're the type of person who remembers to use eye cream every day, you're probably also a pro at keeping plants alive. There's no excuse for my perpetually wilted ficus, but the reason I rarely use eye cream is because 95% of the ones I've tried make my eyes water, create little bumps around my lids, or fail to deliver noticeable benefits. But Verso Super Eye Serum is among the rarefied 5%. The lightweight texture doesn't irritate my eyes, even with retinol as a star ingredient, and the applicator enables me to apply pinhead-sized dots of product, which I pat in with my ring finger directly on my under eyes. After using this serum nightly for about 2 weeks, my dark circles were less purple and my under eye bags were less puffy. And this is $65. Jeez, they gave us spendy things. Wow. Let's see, can we see the applicator? Whoa. Ooh, look at that. It is itty bitty. They were not kidding. So that is gonna go a long way using your itty bitty little bitty bitty dots. Okay. Nice. We also have a nail polish, which is quite similar to what I have on, actually. It's not quite identical, but it's pretty darn close. That's funny. So this is by a brand called Static Nails, and it's the Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer in Irene, and it's $16, and it, do you hear that, guys? Oh, that makes me happy. It's got the metal ball bearings. Yes! You know I always like them so much better when they have that. Oh my god. That's so satisfying, because it seems like I so rarely find them with it in them anymore, so I'm like, oh, thank you, sweet baby Jesus. Okay. I, a person who used to get gel manicures bi-weekly, have shifted to doing my own nails. Irene has become an unexpected favorite. I typically stay away from nudes, but this color looks like a dusty rose against my fair skin, which brings out my warm undertones and feels more exciting than beige. The first swipe goes on sheer, but the cruelty-free formula, which doesn't contain questionable ingredients like formaldehyde or toluene, layers into a semi-opaque finish. Also, it applies so thin that I feel like it dries extra quickly. So, another reason it totally feels like what I already have on. This pinky nail only has one layer on, and it is fairly sheer. And then you see these, it looks like Dusty Rose. I'm like, dude, they could totally be like the same product, I swear. But that's cool, though. We have yet another Dr. Jart thing in here. This is the Ceramidin Cream. There's no way this could totally be full size. This has to be a mini. And it is the Ceramidin Cream. Yes, it says it twice. Oh, goodness. Moisture Retention Shield. Okay, so and occlusive. Nice. Yeah, this could not be full size, because the full size is $48. When I was working my first beauty job, I thought moisturizers were just supposed to hydrate, but I was wrong. They also make sure your face retains as much existing moisture as possible. The ceramidin line uses a blend of ceramides, fat, juicy molecules that act like glue between skin cells, so precious moisture can't escape. The cream also has botanical extracts like artichoke, which smooths fine lines, and turmeric, which is an antibacterial. It spreads like soft butter and creates a lightweight barrier. I like to think of it as the saran wrap of my skincare routine when moisture gets trapped in for the day ahead. So something like this is what you would use over a hyaluronic. Just saying. To piggyback off of that video that I made. Anyway. Ooh, we have a lippy? Where do we have a lippy? Oh. Okay, so this would totally be a mini then. It's by Sigma. Ooh, it's a Sigma. And it's in a shade called Venom. Ooh. Ooh, looky. I like it. So full size of this is $20, but this is most definitely not the full size. Full size looks like that. This is not that. At a time when loungewear has become workwear, a little lipstick can go a long way towards making me feel more put together on a Zoom call. Venom is a classic red, not too orange, with blue undertones. When it comes to bold shades, I prefer a liquid formula that I don't have to constantly touch up. This one goes on with a velvety consistency that is the opposite of drying. That's because it's not a matte, it's satin. But what's most impressive is the staying power. When the color did start to fade after I started eating, it happened gracefully without leaving behind those crumbly bits that you can sometimes get after your liquid lipstick has stayed on too long. I know exactly what she's talking about. I'm sure you guys all do too. That is quite the way of putting it, but she's absolutely right. That is totally what happens. And we've got a sample, the box keeps falling over, a sample of La Roche-Posay Lipicar Balm AP Plus, which is Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream for extra dry skin, body, and face. Accepted by the National Eczema Association. Cool. For extra dry, sensitive skin in babies, children, and adults. Appropriate for body and face. Properties. Lipicar Balm AP Plus, formulated with a high concentration of La Roche-Posay prebiotic, not probiotic, prebiotic, thermal water, shea butter, and with Aqua Posay filiformis, helps alleviate extra dry skin by reestablishing and stabilizing the microbiome's balance and helping restore and preserve the skin barrier. Use morning and evening on clean skin, fast absorbing texture, non-greasy and non-sticky finish, appropriate for babies, children, and adults. The results: this gentle lipid replenishing cream helps soothe skin, providing up to 48 hours of hydration, and is clinically shown to help reduce dry, rough skin. It is allergy-tested, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic. I can say it. I don't know why I always try to add an extra syllable in there that is not there. I always want to say comedogenetic, and I'm like, no, it's not genetic, it's genic. Oh, goodness. Anyways, let's read what it says. And that's what the full size of that one looks like, so this is very much a sample. At Allure, we talk a lot about basic moisturizers, simple formulas that make skin glow without the extra stuff, like fragrances, that can dehydrate or create sensitivity. La Roche-Posay's pared-back formula fits the bill. It's gentle enough for eczema-prone skin in babies, but effective enough that it got rid of a stubborn flaky patch where my ring rubs against my pinky. It's rich and creamy, yet unassuming after it's been applied. There's no slippery feel and no strong scent to compete with my perfume. After using it, my arms and legs are soft, and my hands are pre-pandemic level smooth. And it's $20 for the full size. Nice. Then we've got these Wilma Schumann Hydrating Collagen eye pads. I mean, we can kind of see the outline of them in there. Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads, an intense hydration boosting treatment for the eye contour area with 100% pure collagen. For all skin types, contains soothing and hydrating ingredients. Will visibly and effectively improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and reduce puffiness. Super hydrating gel pads are easy to use and are non-irritating, clinically and allergy tested. $18 for 5 applications. What the hell, guys? I'm sure I'm not the only person who has awakened in the middle of the night with anxiety lately, trying to recall if I put on hand sanitizer before touching my face, or tossing because I feel a tickle in my throat. When I finally climb out of bed, I've got panda eyes, which is even more obvious on video calls because of the unflattering overhead lighting in my home. I've taken to putting on these iPads first thing in the morning while I meditate. The gel feels cooling, and the pads are soaked in hyaluronic acid and hydrolyzed collagen to help plump skin temporarily. After 20 minutes of wearing them while listening to uplifting mantras via an app, I'm left with a sense of calm and a face that looks halfway rested. Always good to know. And then, the last thing, it doesn't say anything about, it's one of those ad things in there. So we've got a sample of Native Fig by Rusk Pure Mix, and it's a replenishing shampoo for normal hair and a replenishing conditioner. Free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colorants, gluten, and cruelty. Experience Pure Mix customized formulations for your hair needs. In the mix, fig, refined oats, quinoa, protein, and vitamins for strength, color protection, and healthy glowing hair. Nice. We'll definitely try that out, because why the heck not? And that was everything that was in the October Allure Beauty Box. I don't know if there was any variations this month or if everybody got the same box. I mean, of course, barring brand new members because they always get the welcome gift, but barring them, I think everybody may have gotten the same box this time. And I think they did say something about how when the price increase happens that they're doing away with the variations and everybody's just going to get the same box. So it'll be like the Target Beauty Boxes were then. So anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.